Uh, this is the old Jessup Highway. We're about 2 miles from the Altamaha River. The river's flooding. Like I say, we're about 2 miles. And the river's about 2 miles that way. Going through the swamps and everything else. This is the old Jessup Highway. Now, you see this water? You see all this water coming up right here? Now, see, the water should be draining the other way, but the river is so high and it's pushing the water this way. Like I say, this right here is on the side of, on the highway. This is the old Jessup, OLD. But yeah, it's got the, that water's got it pushing it backwards right here. Yeah, the water should be going in the pipe right here, not coming out. Now there's a railroad track. You can see the old railroad track right there. They use that thing a bunch of times a day, 5 or 6, 7 times a day. But yeah, that's what I was just looking at. Yeah, we're 2 miles from the river this way. The water should be going this way, but it's not. It's going under the road the wrong way. It's going backwards. Well, I just wanted to show that little bit of. And ain't no telling what all that stuff is right there in there. Some leaves and suds or something. Okay. Old railroad cross tie right there. Yeah. You can see right over there. There's a bunch of old railroad cross ties right there. The railroad, they put them all along the road right here. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Here comes the truck down the road. Stop.